Hello and welcome to the Mint Report, a wrap-up of today's business news. Here are the top stories. Arcom and RIL ink a 1,200 crore rupee infrastructure deal. Bombay High Court rejects UB plea for the bar on sale of pledged shares. And Sensex breaches 19,000 mark. First up, the Ambani brothers have signed an infrastructural deal in the telecom space to boost their business interests. Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Jio Infocom and Anil Ambani's Reliance Communication today signed a 1,200 crore deal whereby RIL will share Arcom's optic fiber network for its entry into broadband services. This deal marks the first major collaboration between the two brothers after the non-compete pact between them was scrapped in 2010. Shares of both the companies soared as soon as the news broke in the market about the deal. Reliance Jio will utilize the multiple fiber pairs across Arcom's 1,20,000 km intercity optic network to provide broadband wireless services. Arcom shares surged 11% to close at 63 rupees. RIL shares increased by 2% to close at 793 rupees. Moving on, the wave of bad news for the UB Group continues, with the Bombay High Court today rejecting the group's plea for a bar on sale of its pledged shares by banks and other lenders. Last week, Vijay Mallya had gone to court to seek a 3-week stay on the banks selling pledged shares of the UB Group. The shares were pledged with the lenders as collateral for loans. This means lenders can continue to sell shares of United Spirits and Mangalore Chemicals and Fertilizers to partly recover their money. A lawyer representing State Bank of India said it had sold 13,000 shares on Tuesday besides the 2 lakh shares sold last week. The total exposure for the bank stands at 6,360 crore rupees with an outstanding interest of 7,000 crore rupees. Lastly, news from the markets. Indian shares gained for a 4th consecutive session today to cross the 19,000 mark. The gains were led by blue-chip companies like RIL following its deal with Arcom and Sun Pharmaceuticals on reports of a price hike by a unit. The Sensex gained 176 points to end at 19,040 and rival Nifty added 43 points to end at 5,748. Though Finance Minister P. Chidambaram has said that the government is committed to bringing the reforms, investors still remain wary of the prevailing political uncertainty. That's all we have for you. Thank you for watching.